Hello guys, good morning from Portugal. Hola, buen dia. Today I have 20 euros session sa sisang di 20 euros. Rapido 500. Fast 500. I have ticket number 2, 3, 4, and 5. 20 euro session. 2, 3, 4, y 5. Okay, how to win on this ticket? We're looking for euro symbol in the main game. Here we're looking for on the bonus area, we're looking for Rapido, the word Rapido to win 50. You can use full scratcher, coin, Portuguese channel. Okay. Here we're looking for euro symbol. Ticket number 2. I don't need to say the symbol, guys. Okay, we are looking only one symbol. It's quite boring. Only the euro symbol. What is this? No? Also, there's no sign of winning. No. How about the bonus? Rapido. Of course not. Ticket number 2. Let's go to ticket number 3. Bonus. Sign bonus. No bonus. I bought 4, guys. Because I bought according to the ads. Let's see if this shit works. No. Come on, ticket. Wake up. No. And no. 2 in a row. 2 and 3. The odds of winning in this ticket, guys, are 1 in 4.12. En 4.12 billetes. Bonus! Come on, bonus. No. Nobody won on that bonus area, guys. It's just drawing. Nothing. Stakas, t-shirt, Circa. Ano, Ferrova. I thought it's Circa. No. Don't tell me 3 in a row are losers. Oh, Lord have mercy. 3 in a row, guys. Last chance. Bonus. Come on, bonus. No. Same bonus. I found, finally. I found the euro symbol. Ah, 2. Woohoo, 2 wins. At least 10 euro. Come on, give me more. Give me more. At least give me back my money. Ah, 3. Woohoo, 3 wins. 3 wins. At least 15 euro, guys. If they give me 5, at least 15 euro. Don't give me more. 4! Wow! 4 wins. 1, 2, 3, 4. So at least I get back my money. Give me more. At least one more. Give me more. If 4 only, at least there's a possibility is only 20 euro. Okay, so I found 4 matches. 4 matches. What are the possibilities? 5. Confirm. 4 matches is confirmed. 20 euro. There's no doubt. Okay. 5 matches is 20 euro. 3 matches is 15. Okay, so this is confirmed 20 euro win, guys. So at least I get back all my money. Okay. I spent 20 and I won 20. Okay. I scratch so fast. Some channels they scratch like only one ticket and 20 minutes. Okay, so this is 5. This is 5. This is 5. And this is 5. So it's a 20 euro win, guys. Okay, so I don't give donation today. There's no donation to Portugal Lottery. There are a lot of possible wins in this ticket, guys. 500, 14,000 tickets. 200, 2,600. No, 5,200. Okay, and then a lot of coffee money wins. 100, 4,000. No, 5,000. No, 8, 9,000, right? No, there's a lot of coffee money wins. So 20, there are 61,000. Okay. Okay, guys. So uh, I got back all my money in this session. Beautiful symbol win. There's no bonus. Nobody found the word rapido. Only here, not here. Okay, so it's a good session, I think. If you don't give donation to Portugal Lottery, guys, it's a good session. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.